United States Department of Agriculture logo. Oven-baked pancakes with spiced pears. Recipe for children ages 3 through 5. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 15 minutes to prep, and 52 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Turn on the oven and preheat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine a half cup of whole wheat pancake mix and a half cup of water into a small bowl. Whisk. Spray a loaf pan with cooking spray. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Place the loaf pan in a preheated oven. Bake for 35 minutes. Prepare the spiced pears while the pancakes bake. Separate 4 cups and 1 tablespoon, approximately 2 15-ounce cans, diced pears in extra light syrup. Strain the syrup into a medium-sized bowl. Pour the syrup into a medium-sized pot. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the syrup. Whisk continuously. Stir. Bring the syrup to boil. Cook for 5 minutes. Add the diced pears to the syrup. Stir. Simmer the syrup until it thickens. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the internal temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Cut the pancakes into 6 even slices and remove from the loaf pan. Serve 1 pancake slice with a half cup spiced pears. The CACFP crediting for oven-baked pancakes with spiced pears for children ages 3 through 5 is as follows. The serving size is 1 pancake slice with a half cup of spiced pears. It is a half cup fruit and half-ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.